Hi students, welcome to Sri Guru Bio classes. In last class we are discussed about steps involved in the process of respiration. In this class we are going to discuss about breathing. In this class we are going to discuss about breathing. Breathing is the first step in the process of respiration. It is the first step in the process of respiration. So what is happening in this breathing? Air moves into the lungs and the air come out of the lungs. This process is known as breathing. The air moves into the lungs and the air come out of the lungs. This is known as breathing. In this breathing, air moves into the lungs. This process is known as inhalation. Inhalation. And the air come out of the lungs. This process is known as exhalation. So, in our breath contains one inhalation and one exhalation. In this, when we are talking about that inhalation, in that inhalation, what happened? Air moves into the lungs. Okay, air. As we know that air we take through our nose. So what this air contains? As we know that air is a mixture of gases and certain suspended particles are also present in that air. So that air is taken through our nose and this air enters into that lungs. This process is known as inhalation. Generally, air contains carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen and some other suspended particles. Suspended particles are present. These are entered through this inhalation process and finally it reaches to lungs. In this, what happened in this process of exhalation? In that exhalation means the air come out of the lungs. So whenever the air passes through this our nose and enter into the lungs, that gases exchange takes place inside the lungs. After exchange of these gases, some of the gases are again come outside. This process is known as exhalation. In previous classes, we did lot of experiments on what is there in that exhaled air. What is there in that exhaled air? Already we did lot of experiments on this exhaled air. Let us recall one of the simple experiment to find out what is there in that exhalation or exhaled air. Now let us recall once again this simple experiment. In this experiment we need two test tubes. In these two test tubes, in this one test tube, take some amount of water, normal water. In this another test tube, take that lime water. In this, inserted both test tubes are inserted the tubes insert the tubes like this and fitted the split cork. Next, again here also fitted the tube, one tube inside and another tube is keep like this. In this, both tubes are joined here, and in this first part of this experiment, here both test tubes are keep in your mouth and blow the air through our mouth. Whenever the blow the air pass through like this tube and like this and pass into this lime water and water. So these 2-3 times are blowing the air through our mouth. The air pass through these tubes and enter into this lime water and water. Whenever we are observing this lime water containing test tube, this lime water immediately turn into the milky white. And here no change were observed. So here in this experiment, what we are observed here, whenever blow the air through our mouth, the air present in our exhalation process, and this air immediately turn this lime water into milky white. Next, at the same time, these tubes are removed from our mouth and these tubes are fitted with syringe or some other pichkari instrument like sprayer are fitted in these tubes. In this syringe, whenever press this syringe like this, so at the time what happen, whenever press the syringe and the air pass through these tubes and enter into that lime water as well as water, here no lime water is changed into that milky white color. So no lime water is turned into milky white, not turned into white. So when we are keeping the mouth, at the time we are observing that lime water turned into milky white. When we are fitted the syringe and pass through the air, pass through these tubes, at the time this lime water is not turned into milky white color. So what it indicates, whenever blow the air through our mouth, the exhaled air containing carbon dioxide, the carbon dioxide is turned the lime water into milky white. So generally, whenever pass through this carbon dioxide in the lime water, they immediately turn into milky white. So it indicates the exhaled air contains more concentration of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide concentration is more. When we are passing through the air through this syringe, what happened here? Normal air pass through these tubes, but here no color change were observed because of in this normal air also having carbon dioxide, but here carbon dioxide concentration is very less, generally 0.04% of carbon dioxide only present in that atmospheric air. But when we are blowing the air which contains carbon dioxide is more. So like this, based on this experiment, what we are concluded that when we are breathing the air, so it is a mixture of gases, and in that lungs the gases exchange takes place. After exchange of gases, the air come outside. Whenever the air come outside, at the time the exhaled air contains more concentration of carbon dioxide. Only carbon dioxide is come outside from that exhaled air. Only this is only. In addition to this carbon dioxide, some moisture or water vapor are also come outside along with carbon dioxide. Moisture or warm air. So where this moisture, water content is present inside that exhaled air, at the time of respiration, carbon dioxide, water and energy is released in the process of respiration. So the carbon dioxide and some of the water is come outside in this process. So the exhaled air having carbon dioxide and some moisture content in it. So how to prove that this moisture is present in that exhaled air or not? It is using this simple experiment. When we are stand in front of the mirror, when we are blowing the air in that mirror, so at the time what happen? When we are blowing the air on that mirror, some of the water droplets are formed on that mirror. Generally winter time, in that winter mornings, we are observing that clear water droplets are formed in that mirror is observed. So it indicates our exhaled air contains carbon dioxide along with some moisture also present in that. What is happening in this breathing process? So the air enter into that lungs. In that lungs what happened? The air is exchanged into that blood vessels. How this air pass through this nose to lungs, and what is happening in that lungs? What is the changes observed in that lungs are discussed in next classes. Okay, this is the simple process of breathing observed in these human beings. It is one of the most important and first step in the process of respiration. If you have any doubts, please comment on in the comment box. If you want more videos like this topic, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.